We found 3 ticks on our puppy this morning. Check out the size of this one that is fully engorged from its blood. Ticks carry a number of different pathogens and diseases that are very concerning, including Lyme disease. I cannot recommend enough having a protocol on hand and a plan if you find yourself or your animals with a tick. The first product we'll use is Andrographis in their meals 3 times a day. We'll also use the Homeopathy Ledum Palustre 1 pellet 3 times a day. You'll want a tick removal kit or tweezers to remove the tick. In order to use this tool, you do not want to twist or even pull, but you want to slide it under the tick head completely and then gently lift up. And then if you need to use these to hold it or move it, you can use those in conjunction. Lastly, you can send the tick off to a lab to get tested for certain diseases to confirm whether or not you've contracted them. In terms of prevention, you have a few different options. 1, guinea fowl or ducks are great at removing the tick population. 2, in general, like with humans, a healthy dog is less likely to deal with disease even if bit by a tick. And so feeding a dog a raw diet and ensuring that they are getting clean water is going to build a strong foundation that will best be able to fight against pathogens. Last but not least, putting apple cider vinegar into your dog's water as well as crushed garlic into your dog food. 1 clove of garlic a day in dog food and ½ of clove of garlic every day for cats will help repel fleas and ticks. When we found 3 ticks on our livestock protection dog, we collected them in a plastic bag and sent them off to tickcheck.com. Within 3 days, we had results on all of the major diseases that can be transmitted through ticks. I was shocked and felt so incredibly blessed that for all of the main pathogens, the ticks came back negative, which means we do not have to contact our vet or look into initial medicine for treating any of these. On humans, the telltale sign of Lyme disease transmitted through ticks is the bullseye. Prevention is key, but knowledge is power, and if you do pick up the pathogen, know how to treat it accordingly.